Rowserworld. Let's see what we got here. We can do the same thing here. We can just kind of. Okay. I'm going to get that overall expression of the eye. Okay. Remember the eye is facing this way. So we'll just go ahead and make our shape like this and like this, right? But our triangle is going to come from underneath it and kind of do like this to even the shape out. You know what I'm saying? So it now becomes an even triangle, and then all of my shape, all of my features are going to go here like that. You know what I'm saying? Now all I have to do is just draw this line over the top. Okay. Bring this down. Bring this down here. That kind of a full nose, right? He has, now down here, he has rounded kind of eyes. His eyes look kind of round almost. So I think his intensity is here, not in the squinting of the eye. So maybe I might go with more of a diamond idea with a light line here. Okay, you see what I'm saying? So it doesn't look like, it's like that, right? And we'll come over here, add some little, come over here, like that, boom, like that, boom. All right, now with him, I can see his chin is wider than the nose, so that's what makes it funny. So we're gonna have to do this right here. We're gonna make it a lot wider than his nose shape, right? Okay. Then we'll come over here. He has this big cheekbone kind of coming down into the shape like that. We'll come over here. Strong features, right? Strong angles in this guy's face. Very interesting cartoon. Okay. Okay. And here I'm just going to draw my shape. Okay, it looks like it's doing something like this and like that. I probably could have. I probably could have did it a little different. Oh, I'll tell you what. I'll just do it like this. I don't know. Like that, baby. Let's give him a. Let's see. Yeah, so again, he had very, very strong features in the face. So he was quite easy to draw. Okay. Just put a little bit of shadow right here. I think that'll make it look like a little bit more 3D like that. Y'all see that right there? That's something else. Sorry, man. That's the way your neck is for real, man. He looks like the guy from Men in Black, right? The guy in the book bag. I gave him a little bit of a smile. Okay. All right. So that one came out real tight right there. Man, that idea with the eyes, it really helped me out quite a bit because I can see like a ridiculous likeness to his picture right here. This is like a really crazy likeness right here. Yep. Boom, 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 boom. Maybe we'll give him a shirt though. Give him a shirt. And he's just out for a night in New York City. You know who I want to draw? There's some buildings here. And then we'll have some little buildings in the background. Way off in the background. People just enjoying the nightlife. Gotta learn how to enjoy the nightlife, man. Alright. Enjoy responsibly. Okay. Let's put some little buildings back here. We never know what's going on back there, right? Okay. Yeah, maybe we got some street lights back here or something. Alright. You're just walking home. Maybe it's a car or two on the road. Just going home back there. Those are some cars. You can't really see it, but those are cars, right? Alright. And then this is like the middle of the road right here, so you can see them going down the highway, right? And alright. And you know, some more little buildings in the background, far off back there. You know who we're gonna do next? I'm gonna do Black Adam. I'm gonna do the baby, and then I'm gonna do Black Adam, and then I'm done.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these two super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always guys, I wish you happy cartooning.